From a certain angle, blue and green can deceive us into thinking it is summertime, but in fact, it is winter. Desiccated grass strands pierce through the snow-covered ground. The Ottawa River is partially frozen. The current fights against the water's urge to freeze. As temperatures fluctuate, sections turn to ice and then break off, floating endlessly by. Deep in the forest, huge wood chips fall in the snow. Why is this tree losing pieces of its bark? It's the pileated woodpecker. This woodpecker is the largest woodpecker in North America. Or is it? That honor might have belonged to the ivory-billed woodpecker, which looks quite similar to the pileated. Unfortunately, we destroyed too much forest habitat for the ivory-billed woodpecker, and if it is not extinct, its population may only be a few dozen individuals in Cuba. The pileated woodpecker was also in decline, but its population proved to be more resilient and currently it is not threatened. The pileated woodpecker uses its large bill not only to find insects for food, but also to excavate a suitable nest for laying its eggs. Next time you're out in the forest, keep an eye out for a large pile of coarse wood chips at the base of a tree, accompanied by a rectangular section of missing bark. Because its bill is so powerful, the debris the pileated woodpecker leaves behind is much more obvious than the smaller wood flecks produced by other woodpeckers such as downy woodpecker. A 2018 study found that although pileated woodpeckers can live in suburban areas, they rarely do so once the forest cover drops below 20%. Thus, by keeping sufficient forest cover with trees such as bigleaf maple, red alder, and Douglas fir, we can prevent the decline of cavity-nesting species such as the pileated woodpecker and have nicer places to live in at the same time.